What's up guys, Ryan with the MXG channel, back once again to give you some more news. This time it's on Yamaha. So let's talk about or think about everything that's happened in 2023 so far. We spent most of the year talking about the new KTMs, and very cool because we got 4 new KTMs from the ground up. We expected maybe a new Kawasaki because it had been 4 years on their generation. That didn't happen. Looks like they're gonna stretch it to 5. And we got a slightly updated Honda, but they just had a new bike last year. No changes to the Suzuki. Yamaha has already stretched their generation 5 years. 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So we were for sure, 99% sure we were getting a new 2023 Yamaha YZ450 with minor updates to the 250. That's been pretty much confirmed over the last few weeks, but insiders are saying that Yamaha may not announce their new 450 until sometime in August. We hadn't heard a peep from Yamaha about this new bike until today. They dropped a teaser video. As you guys know, KTM, they drew out their process a little bit with teaser videos for about a month leading up to the releases, and it looks like Yamaha is going to do the same thing, because here we are in the middle of June. They dropped a teaser video this morning. Now, Yamaha was extremely stingy with their teaser video. We don't even get to see a fender. I don't think we saw any piece of the bike besides, a wheel, which could have been a wheel off anything. We didn't see any blue. We didn't see anything at all. We did see the Leopoldo, Ferrandis, Tomac, Chisholm. So cool little cameo appearances by those guys, but no clue on the bike yet whatsoever. Now, Steve Mathis came out on Twitter and said he's talked to somebody who's rode the new bike and he's super excited about it. So apparently there's some hype behind it. I responded to him on Twitter and said, I wonder if it'll still be like straddling a cruise ship, just in jest, guys. And he said, basically I have the wrong idea. The bikes have been narrow since 2015. So I don't know, guys. I got a 2020 YZ450 and a 2019 KTM 450, a 2023 KTM 450, and a bunch of other bikes sitting in my garage, and there is nothing narrow about that 2020 YZ450. I'm not saying that it feels bulky on the track, but when you're sitting on it, it definitely has a much wider feeling than any bikes I've ridden in years. So maybe going back to like my 12 KXs or something. So no doubt it's an awesome machine, but man, if they could slim it up just a little bit, which we think that they believe it's important to slim the bike up as well, because that's what they did with the YZ250 and the YZ125 with all the new bodywork and stuff. So hopefully they can do the same thing and make an already great YZ450 even better. But that's all we know for now. So I will keep you guys posted regardless of anything I hear, anything that pops up, rumors on the internet, videos on YouTube. And if you guys appreciate that, all you gotta do is click down on the link below and buy your dirt bike parts from AOMC. You can use coupon code MXGuru to save 10%, and it supports this channel, saves you money, supports us. And hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the blue join button. I'll see you all in the next video.